because of the impact created by Make in India movement, which was launched by central government, has seen favorable changes in import as well as export business. In the last financial year, India's export increased by 9.98% as compared with the previous year. In consideration of the current economic scenario of the country, starting an export business can extremely be profitable. One important requirement to start an import and export business is obtaining an IEC license. So in this video, we are about to discuss three things. Number one, what is IEC? Number two, what are the documents that are required to submit IEC? And number three, how to apply for IEC. And one more thing, if you are into business or if you are about to start a new business, we have a gift for you. We have created a PDF document which consists of the list of mandatory registrations and licenses, what are the documents that are required and how to register. All these things we have compiled as a PDF document, and the link of that PDF document is attached in the description. If you want that PDF document, you can click onto that link and you can download the PDF. And this is Arif, your business lawyer from Law Intelligentsia Law Firm. Before going into detail, first we'll see what is IE code. The full form for IEC is Importer and Exporter Code, which is a 10-digit identification number that is issued to companies which are dealing with import or export of goods in Indian territory. It is mandatory for every importer and exporter to obtain IEC in order to do import or export business in India. Now we'll see why to apply for IE code. Number one, when an importer who wants to clear his shipment from the customs, he should produce the IE code to the authorities for the clearance purpose. Number two, when an importer or an exporter who wants to receive money from foreign country through banks, the banker will ask for IEC. And number three, to avail the schemes and benefits from the export councils, you need to submit your IEC code. Now we'll see what are the documents that are required to register IE code. Number one, if you are a proprietorship firm, you need to submit the KYC documents of proprietor. KYC in the sense Aadhaar card, PAN card and passport size photo of the proprietor, and along with that you should also submit the proof of business address, that includes the rental agreement and EB receipt. Along with that you should also submit the cancelled check leaf in the name of company. Number two, if you are a private limited company or a partnership firm, you need to submit the company registration certificate or the partnership deed. Along with that you should also submit the PAN card of the company and KYC documents of the director or partner, and along with that you should also submit the proof of business address. So these are the basic requirements that need to be submitted while registering your IE code. Now we have come to the most important part of this video, how to register IEC. Before that, I would like to make one thing clear: the entire registration process of this IE code is completely online. So you cannot visit the DGFT office directly and get it registered. Step 1, create a login. As a first step, you need to visit the DGFT website for obtaining the import and export code. And there we need to create a login for our company by entering the PAN number and your mobile number. By submitting all these details, you will get a login for DGFT portal. Step 2, form submission. Once a login is created, we need to apply for IEC by filling the necessary details like name of the organization, owner detail and business activity. Further, we need to even submit the proof of which I have already stated in this video. Step 3, fee payment. Once all the details are entered properly in the website, we need to make the necessary payment for IEC registration. Step 4, registration. Once all these details are submitted, the DGFT will verify the application as well as the attached documents. Once all these verifications are done properly, we will be getting the registration certificate. So my dear entrepreneurs, in this video we have seen what is IEC and how to register for it. To know more about registrations and licenses, kindly subscribe to our channel. This is Arif, your business lawyer from Law Intelligentsia. Thank you.